All right, so we're gonna talk about twisting the hair with our fingers. The objective is to get the haircut to lay where it needs to live. So if I take this haircut, look to your left, and let's just say that this line was a 1-length bob, and I wanted to take her a bit shorter. What I want to do is I want to hold that hair where it needs to live and bring my scissor in and cut it to that line. What we don't want to do is take that hair, put our fingers in, and twist the hair to us. What's happening is then we're causing the hair to travel differently. If the hair's traveling differently, I'm not getting a true 1-length line. So in all haircuts, wherever it may be, down as a perimeter line, or be it a line that would be up in space off the head, if I'm twisting it, although there are times that it may be important, know why you're doing it and why not to do it.